In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Google Drive. Using Drive keeps everything organized and makes it easy to find your form later. If you use multiple Google accounts, take a second to confirm you're signed into the right one, so the form and permissions live where you expect them. Next, open the Google Apps Launcher, the grid icon near the top of the page, and choose Forms. This takes you directly to the Forms homepage, where you can see recent forms or browse your Drive. If you don't see the shortcut, you can also type Google Forms in the search bar or open Forms directly from your Drive folders. Now select the form you want to share, click its thumbnail or name to open it. It's a good idea to glance at the title and questions before sharing, just to make sure you're inviting people to the right file and that everything is ready for review. With the form open, look for the Share or Add Collaborators option. You'll usually find an icon that looks like a person with a plus, or you can open the More menu and choose Add Collaborators. This is for inviting people to edit the form with you. If your goal is simply to collect responses from respondents, you'd use the Send button instead, but today we're focusing on sharing editing access. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can paste multiple addresses separated by commas. Check the permission setting next to each person. Editor access allows them to change questions, settings, and themes. If you're working within an organization, pay attention to any domain restrictions that might limit who can be added. You can add a short message to explain what you want them to review, which helps collaborators understand the context the moment they get the invite. If there's a notify people option, leave it on so they receive an email with a direct link. When everything looks good, click share to send the invitations. You'll see the list of collaborators update and your teammates will get an email and instant access. If you need to adjust access later, come back to the same sharing window to remove people or change their permissions. That's it. Open Google Drive, launch Forms, choose your form, open the share controls, add emails, and confirm. With these steps, you'll have a clean, secure workflow for collaborating on Google Forms. Thanks for watching and happy form building.